Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make a 2 ingredients bread roll. So this is a really interesting recipe because this is a no yeast bread. We're only using 2 ingredients. You don't even need a hand mixer. There's no kneading, there's no proofing. So you can have your bread sooner than later. So I hope you guys will stay until the end and let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, today we're going to make the 2 ingredients bread roll, and to start with we're just going to add the flour. So this is a self-rising flour, which is different from bread flour or all-purpose flour because it already has baking powder and salt. So you can buy this in the same aisle as the all-purpose flour, but if you don't have it, just check the post. I have there an instruction on how you can make your own self-rising flour. So I'm sifting this because sometimes there are lumps, just to make sure that it's easier to mix it with the yogurt. Okay, the second ingredient is a plain Greek yogurt. So make sure to use the plain Greek yogurt because it's thicker. If you use the regular yogurt, that's going to be watery and you'll end up with a too wet dough. So if you want to use a plain yogurt, you want to leave it overnight and just remove the excess water. I will also leave an instruction on how you can do that. Okay, so basically that's our 2 ingredients, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to mix it. So start with a sturdy spoon, like, because this is going to be wet and sticky to handle with your hand, right? But you can do that if you want to. So I'm starting with just a spoon and just mix it. So it looks dry for now, but once you continue mixing, it will form into a dough that we can use for baking. So okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is just to divide this. I'm going to divide this into, let's say, maybe 5, 4, or 4. Let's see. I think 4 will be a good size to divide this. This is a small batch, so I think 4 is good. Let's do that. So you can use a kitchen weighing scale, or you can just eyeball it. I'm just going to eyeball it. Go. Just set this aside, and then you just want to form it into a circle or a ball. I like doing this. Just tuck it in, bring it in the center like this. Yep, and then cup it with your hands and then just roll it. Okay. Okay, this bread's already cooled down, so let's try one. Look at that. You see this? It's bread. Yeah, it's bread without yeast. We only used 2 ingredients: self-rising flour and plain Greek yogurt. Look at this. And it's really soft and it's moist. So, I hope you guys will give this a try, and until next time. Bye!